Welcome back. Northeast Trade Expo started in South Goa. The main aim behind this expo is to eradicate middleman from the trade chain. It was inaugurated in Margao on Monday. Craftsmen and artisans from 7 to 8 northeastern states have participated in this expo.
Northeast Trade Expo, organized by the Northeastern Handicrafts and Handlooms Development Corporation Limited, is underway at Margao, Ravindra Bhavan. Eco-friendly products made by the craftsmen and artisans from northeastern states are on display.
"74 craftspersons from northeastern region comprising 8 states like Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Tripura, Nagaland, Arunachal and Sikkim are participating in this exhibition. The main object of this exhibition is to expose the handloom and handicraft of northeastern region, bring those rural craftspersons living in remote areas to the mainstream, expose their craft to market, placing new design for market, for experiment, also mainly to eradicate middlemen.
The exhibition was inaugurated by the Sant Andre MLA Vishnu Surya Wagh.
की आज आमी प्लास्टिकचो आणि बाकीच्या नाका आशिल्ल्याचो यूज करतात, एक्सेसिव यूज, ताका लागून आमकांच सगळी प्रॉब्लेमां फेस करची पडटा. पूण जर तांचे कडल्यान मातशें शिकत की नेचरान आमकां जें दिलां, सैमान आमकां जें दिलां तेजो उपयोग जर आमी बरे तरेन करत जाल्यार आमची जीण ही खूब बरी जातली आनी तेंचे कडल्यान आमी शिकूंक जाय. विशेषतः तांची जी बॅम्बू क्राफ्ट ती तोखणाय करपा सारकी. तेच भशेन पाणयाळें गवत जें आसा त्या गवता पासून हॅट्स करप, मॅट्स करप, बॅगां करप आणि मागीर सिल्काचे कपडे, तांचे हँड वुवन कपडे, हे सगळे तांचे खूब अमेझिंग.
A reporter from Margao, Sameer Bhatt.
Goa wound up their Ranji Trophy season without a single victory in a 4-day format. The final match of Group C against Assam expectedly ended in a draw at Porvorim on Tuesday. Goa remained unbeaten in the group, drawing all their 8 games to finish 6th. Goa coach Dodda Ganesh admitted that the performance of the team has been disappointing. But the former Test cricketer was happy that the youngsters made the most of their opportunities.
The game had moved towards a tame draw at the end of the third day itself when Goa were 11 for no loss in the second innings. The positive from this match, however, was Goa's first inning lead over a superior Assam team which was in the running for top to finish. On the final day, 3 Goan batsmen hit half-centuries. Rigan Pinto remained unbeaten on 62, while season top scorer Ravikant Shukla was not out on 52 after debutant Rohan Bedekar departed for 57 runs. Coach Dodda Ganesh was disappointed with overall performance as he could not achieve his target of taking Goa into the quarter-finals.
First of all, wish everyone wish Happy New Year for all Goan cricket lovers. It was a little disappointment because we couldn't qualify for next round quarter-finals. Okay, it's a part and parcel in cricket, but at least we done well. We're taking first innings lead, 4 first innings lead, didn't play, 1 match is abundant. 3 games we consider the lead, but overall, what is a good sign? What is this 8 game? We got a lot of youngsters. They did well. Like Gaurish, he bowls like 140. He was a quickest. He shown is a character in middle. Then same thing. Amok Desai is a good all-rounder. He's a good batsman. He scored a lot of runs and bowled well and fielded well. Same thing. Rigan Pinto and Bedekar. As it shows a good sign for Goan cricket. A lot of youngsters still is there to improve our cricket, standard improve. Then overall, I'm happy about this season. Only where we are lacking bowling areas and batting areas, we couldn't get some important runs, important situations. We couldn't get 20 wickets. There we missed out. And I'm being a coach, I'm happy with this limited performance.
A sports editor Niraj Prabhu with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar from Porvorim.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.